Hey friends, Rob here. And I'm going to put some of these Ernie Ball Hybrid Slinkies on all my guitars. So 9 through 46 custom gauge nickel wound guitar strings. And also, there they are right there. I'm going to be wrapping my strings around the stop tail bar. I'm doing that on all my guitars with a stop tail too. Anyhow, my best excuse for doing this stuff is I just don't have anything else to do right now, so I thought I'd do this. And we'll see how it sounds. See what you think.